Okay, so I have my Samsung fridge here, and I bought the ice maker, and the ice maker is right here. I'll have this in the description area of the video of where to buy it. And so what I also have done is I've taken out these two screws here. So I see these two screws. They're simply Phillips 1/2-inch screws. And now I could slide off this cover. So once I slide off this cover, I want to slide it off towards the camera. I'm going to take this, slide it out, and you can see the way it holds on is these two tabs. Goes on those two circular spaces right underneath, and it hooks right in there. So that's how these two tabs work. You can see there's already a plug here. Here's the plug that the ice maker will go into, and you'll see from this ice maker, this is the plug. Just give you a close-up of the plug here from the ice maker. So I'm going to slide the ice maker over this side. I'll make sure I have my screwdriver here. So you could do this basically in 5 minutes. And I'm going to plug it in. So I kind of need 2 hands for this, but I'll try to do this. So I'm going to plug this in. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to pretend I plugged it in. And you'll notice here on the ice maker, there's those two tabs. And those two tabs also go under those two circles. So I am going to lift this ice maker up and slide it in. You can see I have it slid in here. And now that I have it slid in, I just have to put those two screws up at the top. So that is how you install the ice maker. And once you've installed the ice maker, what you do is you hold this for 3 seconds and you turn on the ice maker itself. So there you go. That is how you install the ice maker, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.